Binisita ko rito si Mel. Nandito ako ngayon sa apartment ni Mel, oh. Kasi nagyaya, kaping barako daw siya. Ayun, sabi ko, na-excite ako nung tinext niya ako eh. Alam niyo naman ako, di ba? Nakikita niyo naman sa aking mga video na talagang pagkapi ang pag-uusapan, hindi ako umaayaw. Yan. So, ito yung unang kape ko ngayong araw na to. Talagang hindi ako nagkape sa bahay. So, sabi ko, dadalawin ko nga si Mel at dito kami magkakape sa kanyang apartment.
Partner natin ang...
kaping barako. Okay. At isa pa, si Mel. Gagawa ng biko ata to.
Biko.
Yun. Hindi pa siya tapos gumawa ng biko.
Hindi pa.
Ayun. Tamang-tama yan. Tsaka, ito rin. Nagdala ko ng kulats para matikman ni Mel ang kulats. Kaping barako. Batangas.
Sugar, brown sugar.
Brown sugar. Unang higop sa kaping barako. Iba talaga yung kaping barako.
Okay lang, matindi. Bumaba muna yung kuha niya. Hindi sa tawag dito, yung pinapasingaw. Mas masarap lalo.
Ayos.
Pakita mo yung beans. Kanina yung beans.
ML beans, coffee beans. Maraming kape dito galing sa Pilipinas si Mel, Marami kasi mga Pinoy na dumating dito sa Czech at dinala nila si Mel ng kape. Kaya nung tinext ako ni Mel, kape ka sa bahay, sabi niya, aba, hindi ko aayawan yan.
Dito pa ako. Bigay ko na rin sa
Sarap.
Okay. Sa manager ko, sabi ko, ibigyan ko. Kaya natikman nila yan, nagustuhan nila yan yung manager ko. Sabi niya, ganda yung kape. Tapos nung dumating nga sila Angelo. Yung mga bats nila, binigay ko doon. Sabi niya, alam mo, talagang masarap yung kape niya. Sabi niya nung manager. Sabi niya, sige, kasunod, pag may dumating ulit.
Sarap.
Dala ulit. Kaya hindi nila maubos yun. Sabi niya, hindi mo namin maubos sa dami nun eh. Diba?
Ito nga, kwento ko nga kay Merced ng buhay ko. Kaping Barako, Batangas. Ito ang pangalawang beses kong nakatikim. Unang tikim, 2010, nung nagpakasal kami ni Hana sa Pilipinas. Tapos dinala ko si Hana sa Batangas. At doon nakapagkape ako ng kaping barako. Tagal yun. Ngayon na naman, ayos. Salamat nila. Salamat nila. Ayan, bikong dating. Kaparis na ang kape. Ayan. Sarap. So, biko muna tayo, kape muna tayo. Daming alam ni Mel na lutuin eh. Pag may mga occasion dito, sila ni Lynn na dalawang nagluluto eh. Yan.
Ikaw na yung bahala ko. Ano yung...
Sige lang. Mel.
Para pag pupunta ka dito.
Layot pa. Sarap. Ayos. Ito, pinagbalot ako ni Mel ng kaping barako at saka yung biko. So tapos na kami magkape doon. Masayang kwentuhan, ang experience sa buhay. So, ito na si Ana. Kasundo ako. Yun! Kasundo kay Hana. Yeah? Don't worry, you are with the Filipino. No, so many people picking up and dropping off people here.
Yeah. It's not allowed.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see what Hana can say about this biko. She will try the biko, the glutinous rice. Yeah. And wow. Sophia. So again, Mel, salamat sa kaping barako at saka sa biko sa pagtanggap mo sa akin ngayong araw sa iyong apartment. Yeah. Masayang kwentuhan. Then yeah. Next time again, hopefully I'll be able to invite you in the Philippines in Hana's house. Hopefully one day, yeah. Hopefully one day I'll be able to invite you in Radun and have some coffee
In summer.
in summer. That's 1 year ago. That's 1 year from now. Summer.
It's not 1 year.
Hindi tayo makakailang, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-karaoke dun eh.
No
Bawal.
karaoke.
No karaoke in the village. People will complain.
Yeah.
Old people, they love resting.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyway. Okay, so uwi muna kami at nagpa-pick up ako kay Hannah rito sa Breda. Now, time for Hannah and Sophia to try the Biko. Mel, salamat sa pabalot ha. Sa Biko. Darling, can you please open it?
So did you bring to Filipino some Czech sweets to try?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what did you bring?
Kulach.
And what did they say?
Delicious.
Really? So now they're gonna buy.
I think they always eat kulach. Yeah, it's not new for them. For Filipino, they always eat kulach here.
Really?
Of course. I put it in the fridge because I know Biko is better than. That's like for coffee. Wow,
Nice.
nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, no? Pinkay, try this, Pinkay.
It's really nice. Even Sissy like she
But
likes
guys,
it.
I'm gonna try it a bit because I remember I'm not a big fan of this, but I'm gonna try it a bit.
Look.
Maybe my mind will change.
Sissy likes it. It's very nice.
We call it Biko.
You
We-
did
we-
it once, right?
Huh?
You did it once.
That's a long time ago, yeah, in England, long time ago.
It's good, but it's too sweet for me. It's like rice, but if you put sugar in it for me, you know, I'm not fan of it.
Nice.
We call it Biko, made out of glutinous rice,
And coconut. I can smell the coconut.
coconut cream,
Sissy,
and
I can
sugar. Yeah,
Only a little,
that's one of my favorite merienda, really, with coffee.
only a little bit, yeah?
And Sissy like as well. She's eating it. Yeah.
Yeah. It's so you went there for coffee and you had a Biko?
Yeah. Mel invited me for coffee because he said, Jeff, I have a coffee from Batangas. That's famous coffee in the Philippines, the Barako. So when I received his text, I said like, I cannot say no. I'll visit you. I'll go there and have coffee with you. So yeah, I went there and he made
Yeah, it's
this
really
Biko.
nice. I think that I have it in Philippines. They wrap it in the banana leaves, right?
Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. Yeah,
Yeah, that's nice.
yeah. Not wrap, but usually we put it in the banana leaves.
Yeah, but Mana Ginging, she gave me something on the way.
No, that's Ibos. That's different one.
But I forgot it in the fridge.
Yeah. Really nice. What you don't like? If you rate it, darling, 1 to 10, for merienda, for coffee.
Well, 7.
That's nice. Yeah, that's high. But Pinkay, she really not fancy of Biko.
She doesn't like this kind of texture. She doesn't like any porridge.
Porridge like glutinous, like
Or
sticky.
Sticky.
Even pudding, she doesn't like, right?
Well, if I'm gonna buy the pudding from supermarket, she will eat it as
Yeah,
well.
but only like it has to be with something. Like I hate with like pudding, right? But in Czech schools they have like like bread with pudding all over it. I mean, I like it because the bread is with the pudding sucked in. So I don't eat the rest of the pudding that's there. Just eat the bread with the pudding. But like chocolate pudding, I like.
Okay, last one, Sissy. Last one for you, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of this type of stuff. I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's hard for me to swallow because I'm not a fan of the texture.
Alright, Mel. Thank you sa Biko. Salamat sa kape. Ang dami mong binigay na kape.
Salamat po.
He gave me a lot of coffee, especially this kaping barako. Mel, thank you.
And my nephew really enjoyed lumpia.
Yeah, Hannah gave her nephew as well lumpia, and they love it. And then one day I will go to Asian store. I will buy glutinous rice.
And please make lumpia.
And I'll make lumpia for you.
Sissy, enough.
Yeah. Well, again, salamat sa pag-imbita sa akin dyan sa pagkape-kape. Magkampi tayo madalas. Wag lang paminsan-minsan. Yan ang kainaan ko yung kape. Pag off ka, sabihan mo ko at
okay, enough. Yeah.
kahit nga 1-2 oras na kwentuhan.
Almost half.
Okay. See you next time, Mel. See you. Bye.
Bye.